Desaree Soysa and I am the Chairperson of the Youth Technical Advisory Committee of Family Planning Association of Sri Lanka. And today and yesterday we conducted a 2-day CSE program with YTAC members and other youth organizations like Heart to Heart. And we had various sessions like the HIV session and condom demonstration and basic SRHR and also about abortion. Today in the morning we were advocated about how to do a proper media campaign. So it was very important as the youth chair to advocate my team members with this training, and a lot of my members were advocated and they were advocated about topics that are very important when volunteering and working in this field. And also it was a huge success, and we hope to do more trainings like this.